Dear student, today we are going to discuss about concentration. What is concentration? Yes. When we dissolve any substance, suppose 2 gram NaOH is dissolved into 1 liter 1000 milli water, which is concentration. Here two words, solute and solvent, are important. Minor part of the solution is called solute and major part of the solution is called solvent. Solvent should be one, but solute should be more than one. When we make lemon juice, so in the water we are adding NaCl, sugar, lemon. Yes, so here water is the major part. So solvent, where NaCl, sugar or lemon is minor part, which are solute. So definition of concentration is like this. In a unit volume. Unit volume means 1 liter, or in unit mass. Unit mass means the unit volume of a solution, or in unit mass of a solvent added solute is called concentration. Here word is used solution. Why? When we take 1 liter and we are adding 2 gram, so no change. એટલે 1 લીટર પાણી લઈને એમાં 2 ગ્રામ NaOH નાખીએ કે જે ડિઝોલ્વ થઈ જાય છે, તો વોલ્યુમ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. એટલે 1 લીટર વોલ્યુમ લઈને એમાં કોઈ સબસ્ટન્સ માઇનર એડ કરીએ તો કાંઈ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. એટલે not solute, but here word comes up solution. A unit mass of solvent, 1 kilogram, 1000 gram water is taken. તો અહીંયા word solvent આવે કા માસ ચેન્જ થઈ જાય. 1000 ગ્રામ માં 2 ગ્રામ આવે, so mass of solution is 1002 gram. This is our definition. Yes, there are many ways to represent concentration, and one of them we discussed, which is molarity. ઘણા બધી રીતે concentration બતાવાય. One of them is molarity, capital M. Molarity means mole per liter. Mole of solute and liter of solution. So when we take 1 liter solution and there is 1 mole solute is present, so 1 upon 1, so molarity is 1. Yes, in 1 liter 0.2 mole is added, so 0.2 by 1 mole per liter, so molarity is 0.2. Understood? Like this. If 0.1 mole of the solute is added in 1 liter, so 0.1 upon 1, so molarity is 0.1. How much mole is added in 1 liter? How much mole is present in 1 liter solution is called molarity. Molarity concentration depends upon temperature. Molarity, concentration depends upon temperature. Why? With changing in temperature, volume changes. When we take 1 liter solution, there is 1 mole NaOH present. So molarity is 1 mole per liter. 1 mole in 1 liter, 1 molarity NaOH. When we increase temperature 75 degrees Celsius. So now listen. Mole and mass never changes with changing in temperature. Temperature बदले तो mass के mole ना बदले, but volume of the water increase થાય. Like 75 છે એટલે slight આ water છે increase થઈ જાય. So now mole remains 1, but volume is now 1 liter. Suppose. So molarity 0.99. You can see degrees is with increasing in temperature, molarity decreases. Now inverse. Suppose temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. We are decreasing temperature. So initial volume was 25 degrees Celsius over 1 liter. Now it became less. So getting mole remains as it is, but volume is now decreased. Suppose 0.9 liter. So molarity increase 1.1 with decreasing in temperature. Molarity increases. So in common word we can say, whenever volume comes in the formula, that depends upon temperature. Understood? Now this formula is mole per liter, and also unit of molarity is mole per liter. Now what about mole? Mole of solute equal to mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute. So here instead of mole comes mass of solute in gram upon molecular mass of solute into volume in liter of solution. But sometimes volume is given in milliliter. So mass of solute is symbolized as a W2. 2 we are using for solute, and 1 we are using for solvent. Mass of solute, weight of solute upon molecular mass of solute. Here volume suppose in milliliter, so we have to divide by 1000. So on the basis of it, 1000 into W2 upon M2 and volume in milliliter. So whenever volume comes in the formula, and all that method of concentration depends upon temperature. So temperature increase થાય તો concentration decrease થાય, એટલે molarity, and temperature decrease થાય તો molarity increase થાય છે. Yes, like this. Now we are going to use this formula. Today we are only discussing about molarity, capital M. Question: 80 gram NaOH is dissolved in 5000 milli solution. Find out molarity of eta. So formula, molarity means mass of solute into 1000, molecular mass of solute into volume in milliliter. W2 mass of solute given. Here volume of solution given. M2 we have to define. So molecular mass of NaOH equal to 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen. So 23, 60 and 1. So 40 gram per mole. So here will be mass of solute is 80, molecular mass 40, volume is 5000. Here is milliliter, so here 1000. 42 80, 2 by 5. So 0.4 molarity is our answer. It is clear? 0.4 molarity is our answer. Sometimes question asked inverse. 2 molarity solution of NaOH having 2000 milli volume. So find out mass of needed NaOH. For making 2 molarity solution of NaOH having 2000 milliliter volume. So find out mass of needed NaOH. Molarity equal to 1000. Mass of solute, molecular mass and volume in milliliter. Molarity is given to. Defined value of NaOH molecular mass 40, milliliter 2000. W2 we have to define. So W2 will be 2 into 40 into 2000 upon 1000. So 2 to ja 4. So 160. 40 to ja 80. 80 into 2. 160 gram of NaOH is needed. Yes, this type of question asked. Another question for molarity is like this. Dilution. Next question. 0.1 molarity HCl has 100 milli volume. 0.1 molarity hydrochloric acid has 100 milli volume. So find out added volume of water to make this solution 0.05 molarity. Yes. 0.1 molarity HCl નો 100 milli volume છે. તો added volume of water to make this solution એટલે 0.1 molarity માંથી 0.05 બનાવવું છે. This is called the dilution. So I am giving you shortcut for that. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Initial and final. Initial molarity is 0.1. Initial volume is 100 milli. Final molarity is 0.05. So final volume will be initial molarity, initial volume, final molarity and final volume, shortcut term. So V2 will be 0.1 into 100 upon 0.05. First we have to remove the point 0.1 upon 10. 90 point remove करिए. So here 100. So 10 cut 5 2 जा 10. So 200 milli is our final volume, not added. 100 milli तो હતું જ. 100 milli 0.1 molarity solution तो હતું જ. We have to make 0.05. So total final volume should be 200, but added is 100. Why? So added volume, if final volume asked, then 200 milli, but added volume पूछा है. So final volume minus initial volume. So 200 minus 100. So which is 100 milli. 100 milli 0.1 molarity હતું. તેમાં 100 milli એડ કરીએ તો થાય ને ફાઇનલ 200 મિલી થઈ જાય. તો molarity is 0.05. Understood? So added volume is 100 milli. Our initial volume is 100. Added is 100. So final is 200 now. Now mixture. When we mix two solutions, yes, 0.1 molarity HCl, 0.1 molarity HCl has 100 milli volume is added to 0.5 molarity 400 milli HCl. So final molarity will be 0.1 molarity hydrochloric acid has 100 milli volume is added to 0.5 molarity 400 milli HCl. Whenever both substances are same and mix up થાય so in the mixture, so molarity in the mixture will be, so another shortcut, M1V1 plus M2V2 divided by V1 plus V2. M1 means first solution into 100, then M2 0.5 into 400 divided by 100 plus 400. 100 milliliter volume वालों 0.1 molarity HCl, 0.5 molarity वालों 400 mix up करिए. 0.1 into 100 gives 10. 0.5 into, so here is 10, so 200. 0.5 into, yes, here is 10, here is 200. Divide by 500, so 210 divide by 500. So 210 divided by 500 gives our final answer. 210 divided by 500 gives 0.42 molarity. Yes, your answer is 0.42 molarity of the mixture. Understood? If three solutions we are mixing, so there will be, but store in your mind, compound should be same. Compound same હોવું જોઈએ. So here 3 times એક જ compound ના 4 સોલ્યુશન આપેલા હોય એનું મિક્સઅપ થાય તો 4 times આવશે પ્લસ M4V4 upon V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 like this. We can derive some. Yes, now another question. Find out molarity of H plus and SO4 minus 2ion in 0.5 molarity H2SO4. Yeah, simple. So in this case we have to take H2SO4. When we dissolve into water, so you can see molarity is 0.5. So it gives ions, 2 H plus ion and 1 sulfate ion it gives. Here is 0.5 molarity. So here will be double. 0.5 into 2, so 1 molarity. You can see 1 molecule gives 2H plus ion and 1 sulfate ion. So water માં જો dissolve થાય ionization થાય. Due to ionization, 1 molecule gives 2H plus ion. So molarity will be double. 0.5 into 2, so 1 molarity. Of the sulfate remains same. So 1 molarity of H plus in the solution and 0.5 molarity of the sulfate ion. Understood? Like this. Find out molarity of H plus and phosphate ion in 0.1 molarity of phosphoric acid. Molarity means mole per liter. Yes, sir. Your volume is not given, so we have to take H3PO4 in the water ionized into H plus ion and phosphate ion. You can see H3PO4 gives 3H plus ion and 1 phosphate ion in the solution. Here is 0.1 molarity. 1 H3PO4 gives 3 times H plus ion. આ એક મોલેક્યુલ 3H plus આપે છે. So 3 into 0.1, so 0.3 molarity of H plus ion. And 1 molecule gives 1 phosphate ion, so it remains 0.1 as it is. Understood? This like now if two different compounds are given and when we are mixing with each other, so gated value will be. Yes, now next question. Find out concentration in molarity of H plus Cl minus and SO4 minus 2 in mixture of 0.1 molarity HCl 100 milli and 0.2 molarity H2SO4 of 200 milli. The 0.1 molarity 100 milli solution in 0.2 molarity of sulfuric acid solution we are mixing. In that mixture, concentration of H plus, of the Cl minus and of the sulfate we have to divide. First of all, HCl gives H plus and Cl minus. So 0.1 molarity means 0.1 in 100 milli. Yes. What about this? In sulfuric acid, it gives 2H plus ion and SO4 minus 2 ion. Here is 0.2 molarity of sulfuric acid in 200 milli. So here is 2 into 0.2, so 0.4 molarity of H plus. And here is 0.2 molarity. Understood? Of sulfate. So H plus 0.1, here is 0.4. In both compound, H plus is present. So we have to use the solution formula of mixture. આ કમ્પાઉન્ડમાં H plus છે, અહીંયા H plus છે. તો mixture, in the mixture, molarity of H plus, we have to use this formula. M1 V1 plus M2 V2, then V1 plus V2. એટલે આમાંથી પણ H plus કરતા હોય, આમાંથી પણ કરતા હોય. તો મિક્સચરમાં બેયમાં H plus હોય, so in the mixture, molarity of H plus ion, M1, this one, 0.1 into 100 milli. Here is 0.4 into 200 milli. Yes, 0.4 into 200 milli. Now total volume is now 100 plus 200, so 300. 0.1 into 100 gives 10. 0.4 into 200 gives 80. And then divide by 300. 200 into 0.4. 200 into 0.4 gives 80. 80 plus 10 equal to 90. Divide by 300. 0.0033. Here is 90 divided by 300, cut up. So 9 by 30. So means 9, 3 into 10. So 3 3 ja 9. So 3 by 10 orally. 0.3 orally answer. 90 divided by 300. 0 0 પર 3 3 ja 9. એટલે 30 છે કે નહીં, આને આમ કરવાનું 3 into 10. So 30, 3 by 10. So 0.3 molarity H plus ion. હવે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ક્યારે યુઝ થાય? આમાં પણ હોય અને આમાં પણ હોય. તો ફોર ગેટિંગ ક્લોરાઇડ, યસ, તો આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ નહીં થાય. અહીં ક્લોરાઇડ છે પણ અહીં નથી. અહીંયા ડાયલ્યુશન આવશે, અહીંયા મિક્સચર આવશે. આ અને આ મિક્સઅપ થાય છે, કોમન આયન છે. અહીં મિક્સર નહીં થાય, ડાયલ્યુટ થાય. અહીંયા છે, અહીં નથી, એટલે ખાલી ડાયલ્યુટ થાય. 100 મિલીમાંથી 300 થાય, તો મોલારિટી ચેન્જ થાય. સો મોલારિટી ઓફ chloride ion, here low formula of dilution, M1V1 equal to M2V2. Here is 0.1 in 100 milli. So now in the mixture, 100 plus 200, at 300 how much? So 0.1 into 100 divide by 300. So 0.1 divide by 3. 0.1 divide by 3. 0.033, 0.1 divided by 3, 0.033. Now same, what about sulfate ion? Molarity of sulfate ion equal to M1V1 M2V2. Here અહીંયા સલ્ફેટ છે, અહીં નથી, એટલે આ ડાયલ્યુશન વાળો ફોર્મ્યુલા. So in sulfate 0.2 molarity, એટલે 200 મિલી હતું ત્યારે 0.2, હવે મિક્સઅપ થઈ જાય ને, એટલે ટોટલ 300 માં how much? 0.2 into 200 upon 300. 0.4 divided by 3. 0.2 into 2 means 0.4. 0.4 divided by 3 gives 0.133 molarity. Yes, this type of question asked in exam. Understood? So today we discussed about molarity. Molarity concentration depends upon temperature. Yes, temperature increase થાય, molarity decrease થાય. Temperature decrease થાય, molarity increase થાય. Another formula, M1V1 equal to M2V2. Then in mixture M1V1 plus M2V2 upon V1 plus V2 we discussed today. Now last formula of the day we are going to discuss now molarity. Here molarity is equal to percentage weight by weight into 10. D means density, M2 means mass, molecular mass of solute. Here capital M is the molarity, T means the density, percentage weight by weight means mass percent, and M2 means molecular mass of solute, not solvent. 2 for solute, 1 for solvent. This is shortcut. If question asked 4% weight by weight NaOH solution has density 1.5 gram per milliliter. So molarity will be, yes, percentage weight by weight is given, density is given, and molecular mass we have to define M2 of NaOH we discussed. Here 1 sodium, 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. So 23 plus 16 plus 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1 equal to 14. Yes, so put the value in here. Percentage weight by weight is 4. Then 10. Density in gram per milliliter 1.5. Here is 40. So 4 10 ja 40. So 10 into 1.5 upon 10, 10 10 cut. So 1.5. This is shortcut. Yes. If molarity is given, then we can define percentage weight by weight. For getting percentage weight by weight, molarity into M2 divide by 10 into D. Yes, clear? M molarity, M2 mass of solute, molecular mass of solute, density, and 10 gives. If we have to define density with help of these two, so M into W2, M into M2. Then percentage weight by weight into 10. અહીંયા મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય, આ ડિવાઈડ થાય, આ ડિવાઈડ થાય. સો વી કેન કયું આપેલું છે એના ઉપરથી ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ થાય છે. સો તમે બધા ફોર્મ્યુલા બાકી કરી નાખજો. It is very helpful for us. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.